On a side note, what do y'all think of my stand? It's a portable stand that if you do this for a living, you could take it to your customer's house and work on the cuckoo clock at your customer's house instead of having them to hold it. Now, in a pinch, you could use 2 kitchen chairs, but I would suggest to you that you take a rope or a tie-down strap or a bungee cable or something and connect from one side to the other side, because in the process of you working on those clocks, the kitchen chairs could slip out from underneath that clock, and you don't want that to happen. I would also suggest, if you were going to take this to your customer's house, that underneath on the bottom side of the clamp, you have a board underneath their table, because you don't want to put indentations on a customer's table, even if it's underneath it, because they will get mad. Got to keep the customer happy. But anyway, this clock is getting there. One more time. The girl comes out. I'm going to have to adjust that wire on the girl. But the ladder, as you can see with this wheel, the little man is going up and down the ladder.